Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can install Fabric for Minecraft 26.1. Quite easy, straightforward. Let me show you how. First of all, open a browser and then you just need to write fabricmc.net and then press download and download for Windows and then download Universal Jar as well. Once you download it, then you need to select Fabric Installer and click on it and open a setup. If for some reason you get an error, there is two ways why. First of all, you do not completely close Minecraft Launcher, so go ahead and do so. Another error could be a Java. So maybe you don't have Java installed to your computer. So then just go on Google and install Java, super easy as well. Then press install and you should get a successful installed thing here. So once you do so, you can open up Minecraft Launcher and wait until it's basically it loaded up. Then you need to go to Java Edition, installations here. You should see Fabric Loader 26.1. Press on this folder here. Look for mods. Then here, drag and drop Fabric Installer. And then after you do so, you can close this and launch the game with Fabric Loader 26.1. And wait until it loads up. So yeah, as you can see here, now I'm running Minecraft 26.1 modded with a Fabric. So that's pretty much it.